Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Rafiki from The Lion King, and I am gonna go over that with you. So let's please, get started. I'm gonna go over this for beginners, by the way. So if you're a beginner, you're in the right place. Stick around till the rest of the video, and I'm gonna make a little bit of announcement at the very end. So let's get over it. For the marker. You can use any kind of marker. You can use a Sharpie. You can use whatever you want. If you use a Sharpie, please keep the ventilated area. Have a fan on next to a window. A Sharpie's not good to inhale in terms of just like being around it. It's bad for you over time. This is a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen. It's pretty good, it's just more expensive. I'll go over the marker another time, but that marker is in the description. It doesn't really have a bad smell and it lasts way longer. That's why I use it and I promote it on this channel. I'm not getting paid to promote it or nothing, but I guess let's get going then with Rafiki from The Lion King. It's just gonna be the headshot, and it's gonna be simple, really easy, step by step. So I'm gonna pull a line right here for his brow. Rafiki is one of the cooler character designs I feel in The Lion King. Certainly one of my favorite. So we're starting with these two bumps, and these two crested bumps are kind of his brow, like his brow line. Like we're starting with that because it's such a obvious, cool shape. So just kind of think of it like maybe it's a downways turn 3. Think of it whatever you want, little mountains, soft mountains. Pull a line up inside. And I am going to pull, excuse me, soft shape in for the eyes. And so that's going to be kind of the inner eye. Pulling down. I'm going to pull kind of downward to the nose, so it's going to be really thin line right here. It's going to be leading into the nose. We're not going to draw the nose yet, though. Then I'm going to draw the actual eyeball over here. So far, if you got this, you're doing good. Shape of the outer cheek real quick. Let's draw the eyeball. Round. Round. Dot in the eye. A little bit of a line here for the eyelid. It's actually hard to see it in a colored form, but he does have that eyelid. You kind of attach it here as well. Underneath, I'm going to draw a bit of a wavy shape. One wavy shape there. Another one here. Looks kind of freaky, right? Like as in its form now. It's really funny. And now we're gonna continue on right here. We're gonna pull out and flare out the nose. Out. Out. And I'm gonna start with the rounder portion right here of the nose. Pull downward, pulling in. This is where we're doing the nostrils here, the underside of the nose, pulling up. Downward right here to the center portion of the septum, which is the center portion of the nose on the, the underside. Pulling up. Pulling down outward. And so. Right here, down, and he's gonna have these lines on his face, which are very, very awesome. They're kind of these ridges on his face that baboons have, kind of like it's kind of like bags under the eye, but they're not quite. So before that though, I'm gonna go up here to the top of his head, and between these original bumps, I'm gonna throw in a spiky kind of shape. Throw as many as you want, but that's gonna be the top of his head covered in hair. Let's get into his mouth. His mouth is not gonna have a line down like the lion's. It's gonna be kind of rounded, almost like a Simpson type mouth. And I'm gonna pull that out. Well, first thing is gonna pull downward. His mouth is gonna be open. We're gonna pull down, out. I'm gonna complete it down here. He's going to have sharp teeth. I'm gonna pull a shape right there for his tongue. I'm gonna continue on this side. I'm gonna fill that in. And I'll throw some bottom teeth as well. Baboons are so cool. They have almost like a dog-like face kind of thing. They have like an extruded kind of face. It's pretty wild. Down. And now we're gonna draw his lip. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to mention that. I'm gonna be posting a video every single day of the week. Well, every single weekday of the week, roughly around 2 o'clock Pacific time. We're covering something different every day. Pulling in. And that's kind of the lower lip right there. Let's draw let's complete the lines on his face over here. So, 1, 2, 3. Other side, 1, 2, 3. Look at that baboon look. Let's go to the left side of his face here. Pull a line, just to kind of get a position where his ear will be. It's gonna be a little bit of a distance, but not too far. Throw a round kind of bump. It's gonna be a line in that bump. Far side, let's get his far side ear. Pull a line out. Bump. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is he has this kind of mane of his own here, like a beard mane kind of thing. I'm not sure what you call it on a baboon, but it's gonna flutter outward first. Long, kind of scraggly hairs, so essentially just long, spiky shapes. And it's gonna come downward here into like almost like a beard. While we're doing that, I'm gonna draw the actual beard that he has, coming from the bottom of his chin. It's long and scraggly as well. But he has kind of like a second beard that attaches to that. It's kind of wild. Straggliness on this side. And then he's gonna have like a rounded shape right here, but a scraggly rounded shape starting from the back of his head. And you can just do it quick, don't overthink it, but just remember it's gonna be round. And we'll tie in to his face there. If you want, you can have his arm popping out here. Just really quickly, his arm over here. His body below that, I guess. You can just throw out like a torso. It's relatively, I guess, easy. Just draw a wiggly shape. And you stick that out. And that is Rafiki. Rafiki from The Lion King. One of the coolest character designs. I really love that design. He's not in it a lot. I mean, he is in it, but I wish he was in the Lion King a whole lot more. I heard he's barely in the live action one. I have not seen the live action Lion King. Has anyone seen the live action Lion King? What do you guys think of it? Please let me know in the comments. I'm curious. But that's pretty much it. This is where I draw the line. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and it's awesome to have you around, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to share this video if you did enjoy it. It is kind of a, you know, I get by with your support. Whenever you guys share it, it's one of the best things you could ever do for me. Thank you so much if you did enjoy it. One last thing, don't forget to download the free cute ebook. It's totally free in the first link in the description. Check that out. You should be able to draw cute stuff right after just kind of like skimming through that. It'll give you the proportions of cute, which is kind of like the biggest part of drawing something cute. So that's totally free for now. So get it while it's free, and I will talk to you in the next video. See you soon.